Today is the perfect day to be in Vientiane, Laos. Guys, I'm out exploring right now. Check out some of my walkthrough videos. Just want to take time to say hello, be face to face. It is hot. You're talking about heat waves in America. There's only two seasons in Southeast Asia, right? There's hot season and there's hot and raining, and there's not any rain. There's not any rain right now, but what I am finding is a smorgasbord of culture and friendly people. The Thai, friendly people, we always know about that, but did you know they're very, very friendly and loud? The language is similar, the numbers are similar. The best tuk-tuk drivers here in Laos, having a great time. Laos is amazing. Speaking of which, awesome tuk-tuk driver. If you need help, they help you. They are very, very good. Very, very good. We've been to temples so far, the river. Later in the week, we're gonna do a full tour of Laos, but mostly I'll be behind camera just kind of showing you what's going on and what you can do. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Join me here on Nomad Grind Set, where we're going around the world, one nation, one country at a time. And I swear, I love those statues. Right there, like the statues that's guarding the temple, the new temple that they're building. We're gonna take some tours. I've showed you one temple, but those would be like the ancient guards. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Remember these two things before I go. Number one, today is hot, but it's still a perfect day to be alive here in Vientiane, Laos. And number two, hit the like button. I could use it. Thank you.